For the Rajyasabha election, our party has decided to give the first candidate for the third seat is Dr. Santrupta Mishra, a senior member from our party. The second candidate for the fourth seat is a common candidate, Dr. Dateshwar Hota, a renowned doctor from Odisha who was the first Vice Chancellor of the Odisha Health University and was also the principal of the SCB Medical College. Since he is a common candidate, I appeal to all the parties to support him and send him to the Rajyasabha. Thank you very much.